Hey everyone, if you're dealing with the pesky F3 error on your Electrolux Inverter AC from 2025, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can often be fixed at home. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to get your AC up and running again quickly and safely. Let's dive in. First, what does the F3 error mean? Typically, it points to a problem with the indoor fan or a sensor malfunction. This could be caused by dust buildup, a loose connection, or even a faulty component. The good news is, many cases are simple to resolve with basic troubleshooting. Before we start, safety comes first. Make sure to turn off your AC unit at the circuit breaker and unplug it to avoid any electrical risks. Got that? Great, let's move on. Step 1. Inspect the indoor unit. Open the front panel and check if the fan is obstructed by dust, debris, or anything blocking it. Gently remove any blockages using a soft brush or cloth. Don't force anything. Step 2. Clean or replace the air filters. Dirty filters are a frequent culprit for this error. Take them out, wash them with mild soap and water if they're reusable, or swap them for new ones if needed. Let them dry completely before reinstalling. Step 3. Reset the unit. Unplug your AC for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can clear temporary glitches and might resolve the F3 error right away. If the error persists, Step 4. Check the wiring and connections. Carefully inspect the wires connected to the indoor unit for any loose ends or damage. If you're not comfortable with this, stop here and call a professional. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's time to contact Electrolux customer support or a certified technician. They can diagnose if there's a more serious issue, like a sensor failure. Remember, regular maintenance, like cleaning filters every few months, can prevent errors like this. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy fixes. Stay cool.